It doesn't take a genius to build a billion-dollar empire. All it takes is a modicum of intelligence, passion, and words of wisdom from one of the most beloved billionaires in the world, Warren Buffett. In today's video, we're delving into the mind of the legendary Warren Buffett to learn some really practical and meaningful lessons on business and life. One of the things that really made Warren probably the most liked billionaire in recent history is that he has continued to go through life with such humility and generosity. He has never failed to acknowledge his own luck and privilege and how it played a part in his success. At the same time, he's always so generous with advice, ready to share experiences and encouragement of the next generation to build their own fortune and contribute to society. And beyond all that, he always reminds people of what's truly important. Every business lesson you hear from Warren Buffett almost always doubles as a life lesson because he doesn't seem to treat the two as separate journeys. Here are some of the best life and business lessons we can take from the Oracle of Omaha. Lesson 1. It's how many people truly love you in the end.
Well, I've said many times that if you get to be 65 or 70 and later, and the people that you want to have love you actually do love you, you're a success. I've never seen anybody that reaches that age. I mean, I'm not talking about somebody that's in extreme poverty or pain or something, but I've never seen anybody that, if they have a lot of people that love them, that is other than happy. And I've seen some very, very wealthy people that they give testimonial dinners to and name schools after and everything. Nobody loves them, you know. Their own kids would say, he's in the attic, you know. Okay.
As we build our portfolios and scale our businesses, we sometimes forget that our legacy and success aren't just about how much we have in the bank or the reputation we build in our industry. Think about how you're treating the people around you, especially those who you know genuinely love you and support you, whether or not you're a big-time CEO. Are you also taking care of those relationships, or are you taking them for granted? Lesson 2. It doesn't take a genius to build an empire.
With even reasonable intelligence and a terrific passion for what they do, and who can get people around them to march even when those people can't see over the top of the next hill, things are going to happen.
Success isn't reserved for the prodigies and geniuses of the world, but you need to really have the passion, patience, and perseverance to keep going and to rally the people around you to reach for the same goals. Lesson 3, work on something that you would do even if you weren't getting paid.
Look for the job that you would take if you didn't need a job. I mean, you know, don't sleepwalk through life, and don't say it's all going to be great. You know, I'll do this and I'll do that, and you know, I'm just marking time to get to be older. That, as I've told people, that's like saving up sex for your old age. I mean, it just is not it is not a good idea. Yeah.
The reality is that businesses need work, but if you're going to build a business, choose one that you truly believe in, that speaks to your soul, that you enjoy, that nourishes you. You cannot succeed with a business that drains you and makes you hate your existence. If you have the privilege to start your own business, work on something that you would do even if you didn't get paid. Lesson 4, choose the people you surround yourself with.
Move in the direction of the people that you associate with. So it's important to associate with people that are better than yourself, and actually the most important decision many of you make, not all of you, will be the spouse you choose. Right. And you want to associate with people who are the kind of person you'd like to be. You'll move in that direction, and the most important person by far in that respect is your spouse. I can't overemphasize how important that is, and you're right. The friends you have, they will form you as you go through life, and make some good friends, keep them for the rest of your life, but have them be people that you admire as well as like.
The people you surround yourself with or without your permission, will influence you. So you have to be very mindful of the people that you hire, partner with, work with, and just everyone around you. They can make or break you. Lesson 5, great customer experience trumps great business ideas.
The test isn't whether you get the greatest business idea in the world the first time out. The test is whether you keep learning as you go along what your strengths are and what you can do for your customers, what you can bring especially to the party. And to do that, you need the education that I know you've received through 10,000 small businesses, but you need a genuine desire day in, day out to delight the customer. I've never seen a business, and I've seen a lot of businesses, but I've never seen one that delights the customer that doesn't succeed. I mean, what you want is that customer the next day when they think, do I want to rent a car or do I want to buy some furniture? What goes through their mind? You know, it's the place where they've had a great experience.
You can get your customers the absolute best results, but if working with you felt like a nightmare, that's what they're going to remember, and probably what they're going to share when they get asked about your business. Never forget the importance of the customer experience. It can be your greatest asset or your downfall. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button below.